7 beginner mistakes that keep you broke online. Tired of trying every make money online idea and still ending up with like $3.40? Yeah, we've all been there. Let me save you time and sanity. Here are 7 beginner mistakes that silently sabotage your online income and how to fix them. Let's go. 1. Trying too many things at once. You signed up for surveys, freelance gigs, print on demand, maybe even tried to make NFTs. End result? Zero focus, zero money. Pick one method, go all in for 30 days. Learn it, then scale or switch. 2. Ignoring platform-specific rules. Many beginners get banned from platforms like Upwork or mTurk for not reading the fine print. Before clicking, I agree. Actually skim the rules. It's boring, but cheaper than getting banned. 3. Spending hours on low-paying tasks. Yes, 10-cent surveys technically pay, but your time is worth more than that. Filter out the garbage. Focus on tasks that pay more than $5 per 15 minutes or offer long-term potential, like transcription, testing, or simple freelancing. 4. Not tracking your wins and fails. If you don't know what's working, you're just guessing. Keep a simple Google Sheet. Track time spent versus money earned. Cut what's wasting your time. 5. Writing terrible gig profiles. Hi, I am good and want to work. Yeah, that's not getting you hired. Use ChatGPT to draft a professional bio. Add your strengths and keep it clean and confident. No drama, no typos. 6. Never updating your methods. What worked last year might be dead now. Join free forums, Reddit subs, or YouTube channels like Clickable Cash to stay updated without paying for fake gurus. 7. Being scared to apply. So many people don't even try because they think they're not good enough. Newsflash, you are good enough. Everyone starts somewhere. The worst they can say is no. Hit that apply button. Send the proposal. Shoot your shot. Final thoughts. Making money online isn't just about finding the right platform. It's about avoiding the wrong mindset. If you've made any of these mistakes, and trust me, we all have, now you know how to pivot. Which one hit home the hardest? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. And hey, if you're serious about getting smarter with online income, don't forget to like and subscribe. More real talk, no fluff. Just clickable cash.